yung sinabi mo, no, mahirap kasi na if you give them a small window, they're going to gain confidence, they're going to, it's really different playing without pressure for them, no? And they're just trying to give a good show. So, yan yung sinasabi ko sa kanila, mag-ingat tayo kasi pwede mangyari talaga yan. And nangyari nga. But the good thing, you are able to hold them back. So it's a good thing that we were able to keep our guys fresh kasi isang pinag-ahandaan din namin yung game namin sa Sabado. You know, we had to fly out few days, 1 day of rest and then practice ulit again, game ulit. So what was really on our minds was to still keep them fresh for the Saturday game, at the same time try to win this game. So and accomplish naman namin, no? Mabuti na lang maganda laro nila Jonard, mga kasama niya. Pero mahirap pa rin ipagpag yung therapy kahit nandapuli pa.
Thank you, Coach. Jonard, matanong ko lang, anong reaction ni coaching dun sa team?
Tumawa na siya.
Nagkatinginan kami, napamura ako sa ko. But sabi ko, that's just being smart and at the same time lucky. Alam naman natin sinadya talaga ni Jonard. Pero try to be smart, sometimes you get lucky.
Sa tingin mo, Jonard, paano makakatulong yung panalo nyo ngayon into your next game against SSB?
Siyempre ito magandang sign to sa next game natin sa Cagayan. Pero marami pa rin kulang. Yung depensa namin may lapses pa rin. Pero yun na nga sabi ni Coach yung sa practice naman, makukorek namin yung lahat ng mga lapses na yung madadala namin sa Saturday.
Thank you, Coach and Jonard. We now send the questions for our friends with us.
Coach, congratulations. Coach, yung game kasi sa Saturday, bukod kasi dun sa top 4 na habol nyo, parang it's also a like, so yung pakita na regardless if you get the top 4 or not, na can be a threat sa playoffs.
Yes, ano yun no? Dalawang magkasunod na mabigat na laro pa kami no, before we had our elimination round. San Miguel muna, then Ginebra. We're still trying to get to top 4. Kaya may bearing talaga itong larong to sa amin, kaya pinagsikapan namin talaga may panalo. But San Miguel, of course, is a different kind of team. It's playing on a different level, especially with Junmar. Pagdating ng All Filipino, talaga kailangan daanan mo sila bago mo masabi na contender ka. No? You have to pass through San Miguel in the All Filipino. So, pagdadaanan namin yan ng Sabado, nung una kasi we were just trying to get to 6 wins. Now we got to 6 wins. Now we're trying to get to 8 wins. 8 wins gets you twice to beat. No doubt about that. Sa kwenta namin. 7 wins will probably get you a tie. Pag nag-tie, you cannot really control what your situation will be. So, subukan namin makapasok with 8 wins, and to make 8 wins, we have to beat San Miguel on Saturday.